Hello and welcome to the next lecture from this email marketing passive income course. Now in this lecture we are going to talk about one of the methods that you can use basically to sell something through your email marketing funnels. That means basically one of the things that you can do in order to have something to sell through your email marketing sales funnel. And the topic that we are going to discuss and approach in this lecture is building your own product. So first of all, you have to understand that building your own product is by far one of the best options that you can choose as an online business model. And basically this happens because I know that it might sound like a hard task to accomplish, but if you approach it the right way, it can be simple and very rewarding. So this is a business model, launching your own products, that can be very rewarding for you and can position you as not just as an expert, but in a very good let's say place from a financial standpoint. Another thing to consider in the case of product creation is the time that you need in order to get the product ready. So if you want to do this through email marketing, if you want to use email marketing sales funnel to launch your own product, to sell your own product, you have to take time creation of the product in consideration, because it will take you a while to do it. Okay, you have two options for product creation, two main options. There are probably many others out there, but these two ones are the main ones. Okay, first of all, create the product yourself if you have the skills to do it. It is easier when you create an ebook, an email course, or a video course, so you can do the product yourself. Or the second option is to outsource the product creation. This is a popular way among the graphics and software vendors, as it is more time consuming and harder to do it yourself. Okay, so if obviously if you are creating a software, it is a more complex project and you probably need more developers. You also need designers, you need copywriters, and so on. Okay, so it's a more complex project. You will need to outsource some parts of it, no questions asked. Okay, you'll also need to prepare all sales material and delivery materials for your customer if you are launching your own product. The big advantage is that you control the price point. So if you have your own product, you decide which is the price. It can be $27, it can be $197, it can be $3,000. Okay, you can test on your own list the price point and you get 100% of the profits. Okay, so you don't have to share it with affiliates, with other product vendors if you are the affiliate, or anyone else. Okay, there is a third option if you want to get 100% of the income on what you sell to your own audience through your email funnel or other sales channels, and it doesn't require you to build necessarily your own product. This option is to buy and rebrand private label rights products or white label products, okay, like a franchise or something like that. Basically, you will buy a license to rebrand and resell a product as your own, and usually you get all the materials you need along with the license, so you don't have to create the product from scratch yourself or outsource it. Okay, you don't have to hire a team of developers, you don't have to do any of that stuff, you don't have to build the sales pages and sales materials. You get everything. It's like a turnkey based business. Okay, but the product is your own. You can sell it at whatever price point you want. You can keep 100% of the profits. The audience, the buyers remain yours. So that's the big advantage of it. Okay, now thank you very much for your attention. I hope this was helpful for you, and now that you understand better what you can sell and what types of products you can create and you can sell. Again, thank you, and we are looking forward to see you in the next